Thank you for joining us today. We're really excited because we've got a great market leader who's about to give you some incredible insider information that you can only get here. We all know that looking for the best professional for your needs can be intimidating, but here's a little secret. All you really need to know are the right questions to ask. And you're in luck because today's expert is here right now to help.
How do you go about finding the best and most reliable siding and window contractors? Finding the right siding contractor can feel overwhelming, but the good news is it doesn't have to be difficult if you do the right research. I recommend the following tips. Tip 1. Do research on review sites like Yelp, Google, and Angie's List. Cross-reference to see if the reviews and ratings are consistent and the same names getting referenced. If the same names are referenced, you know they are using the same workers. Tip 2. Is a contractor pulling permits for the work being done? You can research BuildZoom to see who pulls permits and thus who is installing correctly into code. Finally, Tip 3 is expertise. Are they certified to install the product by the manufacturer? You can go to the manufacturer's website to get a list of certified contractors. Our expertise is siding and windows installation, as well as roofs and gutters. We focus on helping potential customers with respect to both residential and commercial applications. We have been in business now for over 10 years and service the entire Travis County area. For those that want to learn more about us, they can simply go to www.titansiding.com, where they can learn more about what we do and a few of the projects we have completed. Or they can call us at 512-944-8029, 512-944-8029. We are happy to help because customers are the key to our success and we achieve our goals one customer at a time.
And there you have it. Some great advice and a few simple tricks is all it takes to find the right professional that won't disappoint. Looking for more information? Today's expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.